Hi everyone, this video is going to show you how to check your grades in the course. So when you land on the Blend Your Classroom course, in the white ribbon you have a menu called Follow Up and Reports, and if you click there you will see a gradebook. So clicking on the gradebook will show you all of the assignments for the course. Unfortunately, they don't go in order of session, they go in alphabetical order. So I do apologize for that. You will have to do a little bit of scrolling. But you can see for the session 1 discussion board, this participant has a grade of complete, and then you can see additional comments that I may have made. Remember that all assignments must be complete for this course in order for you to obtain credit. If you scroll down, you can see for the grade 2 assignment, this student has a grade of incomplete, and I have given them additional information. So if you ever do see a grade of incomplete, there will be additional information as to what you need to do to make that assignment complete. Another way that you can always check to see if any grades have been made are these alerts up in the right corner. So when I click on these notifications, it tells me that comments or grades are available in the grade book for items I may have completed.